Are you tired of cluttering your kitchen with multiple appliances? Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling between a toaster oven and an air fryer, as the instant Omni 7-in-1 multi-function oven combines the best features of both, offering you a single, versatile cooking powerhouse. Elevate your culinary experience with this innovative appliance that takes your countertop cooking to new heights. With 7 cooking functions, the Instant Omni is a culinary marvel that can air fry, broil, bake, roast, toast, warm, and convection cook all in one convenient appliance. Embrace the freedom of experimenting with various cooking techniques and unlock the potential to create delicious and diverse meals effortlessly. Let's talk about EvenCrisp technology, a game changer in the world of air frying. This advanced technology circulates super hot air from the top down, resulting in a perfect golden finish, and irresistibly crispy yet tender results with every use. Whether you're cooking up crispy chicken wings or achieving the ideal texture for roasted vegetables, the Instant Omni guarantees gourmet-level quality from the comfort of your kitchen. Boasting an extra-large capacity, this versatile oven can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, a whole chicken, and more. Say goodbye to cooking in batches and hello to cooking efficiency. The Instant Omni fits perfectly on your countertop, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen space. Gone are the days of impatiently waiting for your oven to preheat. The Instant Omni offers little to no preheating time, allowing you to go from frozen to golden in minutes. With a temperature range of 170 to 450 degrees, you have the freedom to explore various cooking temperatures, ensuring optimal results for all your culinary creations. Toast enthusiasts will appreciate the 3 toasting levels, allowing you to achieve the perfect crispiness for your bread, bagels, and more. No more burnt or undercooked toast, just pure toasting perfection. The Instant Omni is a must-have kitchen companion, perfect for whipping up quick and delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, and even succulent rotisserie chicken. Embrace a world of culinary possibilities as you delve into our free Instant Pot app, offering an abundance of mouth-watering recipes to fuel your cooking inspiration. Safety is paramount, and the Instant Omni understands that. Equipped with built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off, you can cook with peace of mind. Included accessories, including an enamel baking tray, stainless steel oven rack, and air fry basket, are all dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup after each cooking session. Experience the culinary revolution with the Instant Omni 7-in-1 air fryer toaster oven. Elevate your cooking game, impress your loved ones, and savor every delectable bite with this innovative kitchen essential.